Do you avoid holiday travel? Do you believe that it's more hectic to travel during the holidays than any other time of the year? Well, I'm gonna dismiss some of the myths about holiday travel. If this is something you're interested in, then stay tuned because this video is for you. Hey fellow travelers, this is Norman Payne from Up and Away Travel. Thank you for stopping into the channel and welcome back. This channel is about everything travel. Everything from travel hacks, travel tips, travel news, destination videos, and cruise ship port videos. If you want to be a more informed traveler, then hit that subscribe button right this moment. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload another video. Okay, so when we think about holidays, we think about food, fun, and all the excitement that goes around a holiday. And we also think about the hectic travel season. If travel stresses you out, then you're not alone. A lot of people think about the stress of traveling opposed to the good times they'll have once they get to their destination. Do you know that 84% of travelers believe that the holiday season is the worst time to travel, that it's more hectic, that there'll be more disruptions than any other time of the year? So I'm going to talk about some of these myths that are out there that keeps people from traveling. Did you know that 84% of the travelers believe that it's more delays and more cancellations during the holiday period than any other time during the year? With lots of people packed into a short period of time, there will be some chaos, but is it more than the rest of the year? With social media blowing up very small issues, focusing on the bad and not the good, there are millions of people that are traveling. But one situation hits social media, no one talks about all the people that got through TSA with no problems, got on a flight with no problems. They talk about that one situation and they use that as the measuring stick for the whole season. So today we're going to take a trip into the myths and uncover the truth about traveling during the holiday season. Are the holidays really bad? Is it more disruptions? Is it more cancellations? Is it more delays? Or is all of that a myth? So myth number one, are there more delays and cancellations during the winter holiday season? No, that is not true. There is less than 1% of cancellations during the holiday seasons. There is less than 5% during Thanksgiving and less than 6% during Christmas. During the July and August seasons, it is 28% more likely to have a flight canceled. After the big disruptions of 2022, airlines beefed up their operations. They beefed up their weather and forecasting controls. They looked at their maintenance so that you have less disruptions and cancellations and delays for your flights and travel. Myth number two, is bad weather the culprit for winter travel and the cancellations? No, it's not. Only 27% of flights are canceled because of bad weather. Mostly it's because of crews and maintenance problems, but not because of bad weather during the winter time. So don't blame the snow. Planes still get in the air and land safely during the winter season. Now let's talk about myth number three. Are planes less likely to leave on time and arrive on time earlier in the day? Actually, it is true that planes leave on time and arrive on time around 10 o'clock in the morning. It is less traffic in the air in the morning time. So your flight is most likely to leave on time and to arrive on time in the morning. After 5 p.m., it's just like rush hour in any major city. There are more planes in the air, and you're gonna have more traffic to deal with in the air. So you will have more problems getting your flight taken off and landing on time. Remember, there's less buffer time when there's more planes in the air. So the planes are working with a tighter schedule. Keep in mind, the early bird always gets the worm. So maybe flying early in the morning, get you on a flight, get your flight there on time. There's nothing wrong with getting up and getting there. I like to get there early myself. I like to fly early. I did a video on the airlines that will get you there on time. Check out that video and see which airlines has the best record of getting you to your destination on time. Myth number 4, flying on a holiday. Is it better than flying the day before or the day after? This is not a myth. Flying on the holiday is the lightest day to travel. If you can wait and fly on Thanksgiving Day or Christmas Day, less people are flying. The planes are flying on time, they're departing on time, they're landing on time, there's less crowds in the airport, there's less traffic getting to the airport. It is easy peasy, but the day before and the day after, there is higher demand. Plus, the tickets are less expensive on the actual holiday. So save money and save stress by traveling on the holiday. On Thanksgiving Day, only 9% of the flights are delayed. The day after, 20%. So you're looking at 11% difference. So it's a win-win situation. Myth number 5, bigger airports have more delays and more cancellations. It is not true. There are smaller airports that have more cancellations and more delays. The bigger airports, they almost got this down pat. They know how to do it. So if you can fly out of a bigger airport, I would suggest that. The smaller airports, they have very small, limited room for error. When it happens, it is a big ripple effect. It will delay you because someone didn't come in for the air traffic control or baggage claim. There's smaller staffs. You'll have a lot of problems in a smaller airport than you would in a bigger airport. The only thing is different in a smaller airport is there's smaller crowds. So it will be smoother in a smaller airport, but your chances of the flight being delayed are greater in a smaller airport. I did a video on the best 10 airports in the United States. Those 10 airports have different type of amenities that you will be amazed and relaxed in. You will also be shocked to see which ones are the best 10 airports in the United States. So there you have it. It is not as chaotic as you would think traveling for the holidays. Get out there, travel, go see Big Mama, go out there and visit during the holidays. It is not as bad as you would think. If you have ever traveled on the holiday, which most of you have, leave me a comment. Let me know which airports you traveled out of and let me know the experience you had. Like my video, give it a thumbs up. Also share this video. Share this video with anyone who travels through any airport. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload another video. That's all I got. Until our paths cross again soon, I'll see you then. Peace.
And please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media. Just hashtag #UpUpUpNorman, where you will find my Facebook page, my Instagram account, my Twitter page, and my TikTok page.